Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Piping hot parathas with lip smacking green peas stuffing and a dollop of butter on top. This week I'll be sharing the recipe for the Matar or peas paratha that are perfect for winters. To begin, prepare the dough. Take 2 cups of whole wheat flour in a large bowl. Add in half teaspoon salt or to taste and half teaspoon carom seeds ajwain. Knead it into a soft dough using water. Brush with a bit of oil, cover and let it rest for 15 to 30 minutes. In the meantime, prepare the stuffing. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds jeera and quarter teaspoon asafoetida hing. Allow the cumin seeds to crackle. Add 1 medium onion finely chopped and 1-inch piece of ginger finely chopped. Saute until the onions are translucent. Add in 2 to 3 finely chopped green chilies and 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Saute for a minute or 2. Next, add in a cup of coarsely ground boiled peas and cook until the mixture is a bit dry. Now add in the dry masalas. Salt to taste, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon amchur dry mango powder, roasted and coarsely crushed 2 teaspoons cumin seeds jeera and 1 teaspoon coriander seeds dhania and 2 teaspoons kasuri methi dry fenugreek leaves. Mix well. Finally, add a tablespoon of gram flour besan and cook. If there is water remaining in the mixture, it will be difficult to roll out the parathas. Check the salt and add more if required. Once the dough is well rested, knead it again. Divide it into equal portions. Roll them out a bit. Add in a generous amount of stuffing. Bring the edges together, seal them, and press it down a bit. Roll out into the desired size. Heat the tawa or a griddle. Place the paratha and cook on medium heat on both sides till it starts to colorize. Brush it with oil and turn it over. Press it down a bit. Brush it with oil. Cook the paratha on both sides until it's golden. The peas parathas are ready to serve. Add a dollop of butter on top and serve with raita and pickle. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.